Welcome to my YouTube channel Java by MK. So today I am going to continue my series Java new features. So in this, as you can see on the screen, we will start with Java 14 today. So Java 14 records feature gets introduced as a preview. Along with this, we have instance of. There are improvements in instance of methods, and we have helpful null pointer exceptions. So starting with records, many of you have might have used records already, so I will quickly explain what record is. So and I will write the code also in IntelliJ. So starting with just introduction, you can see on the screen we have this point. Okay, this this is a record. Okay, so uh, in before Java 14 we have getter and setters, and we have Pojo class, right? So I will not say Pojo class will no longer be used. It has a separate use case. We will talk about records only. With record we can define what how many parameters we have inside the inside the bracket, and then that's all. Then we can create an object of this record, and then we can instead of we don't need to write a getter and setter. We will just create the object and we will pass the values, and we will directly call the we'll use x, this like this we can use, and we can find the relative. Okay, we will just go ahead with one example. So with Java 14, as I have mentioned, we have record. Suppose employee. Okay, employee, we have name and age as parameters. Okay, and another one is person, where we have name and age. Okay, so these two records we have introduced, and then we will write the main method. Inside main method, we inside main method, suppose I will write the code again. So suppose we already have person. Let me just highlight this once. So suppose we want person's object, we have created new person, and name we will pass Java community, and age we will pass 25. Okay, so now suppose we want to print p dot age. Okay, this, and suppose we also have employee right here, employee record. So suppose we want employee emp, 1 minute, employee emp is equal to new employee, and here we will pass Java by MK, and we will pass 30. Okay, so now if we want to print emp dot name, then name like this, no, like this. Okay, so this is the record. Okay, so this is one simple use case I have explained. So let me print this. Okay, so you can see whatever uh, record we have, we want to print the respective parameters. So this is how we have done this. Now going back to the video, we also have in Java 14, we have improvements in instance of, right? So so you can see earlier this example, right? So I will quickly write old code, how we have why how we have used to write the old instance of, right? So suppose we have this string. So what we used to do, string s is equal to string okay, like this. We have to we need to typecast, right? And we don't write this at all. Okay, this is the old way of writing. So with this Java 14 onwards, with Java 14 onwards, no need to write like this. Okay, just simply write give s here instance, and then we can continue with the code. Okay, and then we also have improvements on null pointer exceptions. So one example I have given like this. Suppose there is a exception, so it will be more in it, the exception will be in more detail. Okay, so this is it. We will continue with Java 15 features in next video. Thank you for watching.